Over the years of Microsoft Excel, the number of initial worksheets you get in a new workbook has varied. Originally it was 8, then they reduced it to 3. Now, in 2013, you are in charge of how many blank worksheets you get in a new workbook. We make this control under File, Options, on the General tab, and you'll see here, when creating new workbooks, not only can you control the default font size, and the default view, doing normal, page break and page layout. So should you wish to drop straight into page break preview or page layout view, you can do that, and include how many sheets. You can see here I have mine set to 1, but we could increase that to 3, to 4, to 5, 6, 7, let's say 3. And when we say OK and start a new book, File New, Blank Workbook, we are given 3 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, because that's the options we changed it to. So it's File, Options, General, and in here. If you prefer 1, or you always want to have 6, or you always want to have 12, you can make that change in here. Now, once you've got your workbook and you want additional sheets, then we can do that either through right-click on the sheet here, Insert, choose a worksheet, and OK. And a new worksheet will appear to the left of the one you were in. Notice it gets numbered sheet 4. Alternatively, you can go to the Home ribbon, Insert, Insert Sheet, and you will not be asked what kind of sheet. It will assume a new worksheet, and that again appears to the left of the sheet that you're in and gets the next number, in this case sheet 5. Now we know we can access these options through the keyboard. Alt, H for the Home ribbon, I for Insert, S for Sheet, and we get a new sheet. Now there is actually a quicker keyboard shortcut than Alt, H, I, S, although if you did it regularly you would get the pattern there. Alternatively, we can just do Shift F11 and that will also insert a new sheet for you. Again, appearing to the left of the sheet you're currently in. That's Shift F11 quick keyboard shortcut, right click, Insert, choose Worksheet, OK, it's a bit long-winded, or Insert from the Home ribbon, which we know we can do with Alt HIS. You can see here when you hover, it gives you the keyboard shortcut anyway. If I hover a bit longer, there we are, Shift and F11. Those are your options for inserting more sheets. If you need to copy a sheet, we simply grab it down here with the mouse, hold down the Control key, and move to the right, letting go of the mouse, then replicates that current sheet. If it's empty, I've just got another blank sheet, and you'll see it always puts a little 2 in brackets. If I need to replicate a number of sheets, then I can Control click, make the selection, then hold down with the mouse to grab them, and you can see the icon is multiple leaps. Hold down the Control key, I get a little plus in there, and just move to the right and let go of the mouse first, and I get all of those sheets replicated. So actually getting more worksheets isn't that difficult, so the initial setting really is to suit you for new workbooks. That's why you saw at the beginning I have mine set for 1. I only need 1 worksheet in a workbook. If I need any more, I'll get some. Shift F11, Alt HIS, Insert from the Home ribbon, right click on a sheet tab, or just replicate existing worksheets so that I can get more.